Watch this video and learn how to draw a slice of orange. Yeah!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello, Artie.
Hello.
Are you in a good mood today?
Yeah. Artie's in a very good mood.
Oh, well, that's really good news, Artie.
Yeah, Artie's in a good mood. Artie's in a good mood.
Okay, we understand.
Good mood.
Are you ready to make some art?
Artie wanna make art.
Good day, Artie and friends!
Hey kids, welcome to the show!
Are you ready to start?
Well,
Should we begin?
yeah. Yay.
Let's do it. Let's start by drawing a little circle at the top of the page on the left. That's going to be our orange eye. And then on the right, let's do another circle the same size. That's the right eye. Now draw a big circle around the left eye. That's it. And then draw a half circle inside the eye. That's going to be the eyelid.
I'm excited to see what Artie creates today.
Me too, I can't wait!
Now around the right eye, draw an oval shape. And again, a smaller little half oval inside.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Thank you for that tip, Louis. That's a really good idea. All right, let's draw two little triangles and fill them in black. They're going to be the eyebrows. Oh, I know, Artie. Let's draw a big tongue.
Okay.
We can draw a tongue sticking out of his mouth.
Yeah.
Draw a little heart shape.
Look at him go, little artists!
Now we can draw the mouth around the tongue. Oh, let's draw some teeth. That would be funny.
Why?
Well, because oranges don't have teeth. They don't have tongues or mouths or eyes or eyebrows. This is a drawing. We can do whatever we want. That's the fun part of art.
Yeah.
Finish colouring in the mouth black. Don't miss any bits, Artie. That's it. Let's do some little lines to show the teeth. Now it's time to draw the body of the orange. This is a big circle. You don't have to draw the circle in one go. You can do it in sections. That makes it a lot easier. Now the final section, all the way round and up to the eye.
Oh.
It's time for a joke break. Okay, let's have a little break. Let's have a joke break.
Why did the orange lose the race? It ran out of juice.
It ran out of juice. Do you get it, Artie? Ran out of juice. Okay, let's get back to the drawing. Now we're going to draw the little pieces inside the slice of orange. They're little triangles that go all the way around. Do you know what these are called, Artie?
No.
Well, they're called segments. Segment. That's the name for all the little pieces inside the slice of orange. They're the segments. How many triangles do you think Artie is going to draw, little artists? So far we've got 3. Let's start another one. This is going to be number 4. Here's segment number 5. Is there enough room for one more segment or 2 more? There was room for 2 more. One last segment to draw, Artie. You're all done with the segments.
That's amazing.
So beautiful.
Now let's give our slice of orange some orangey arms. Oh, I really like the little bulge you did for the elbow. It really shows off his elbow. Are you going to do an elbow on the left arm, Artie? Let's see. Yes! Let's draw the legs now. I wonder if Artie's going to do a little bulge for the kneecap. Yes, he did! Don't forget the feet. Now it's time for the right leg. Don't forget the kneecap. Yeah. You're finished? Let's colour it in. You're finished. Well done, Artie.
Have fun. See you next time. Marker out.
Well, Artie, you did a great job today doing a drawing of a slice of orange. It's time to say goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Have an Artie day.
Bye.